Hello and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to my Atlantis, where I like to talk about dolls, open dolls, play with dolls, and also talk about horror and scary things because that's what I'm into. And if you're into that, I'd love for you to join the colony. So today's been like a kind of a weird day, and I just felt like to really lift up my mood. Guys, this is actually really awful. If buying stuff makes you feel better, that's an addiction. But I'm not saying I don't have one. I'm just saying that today was a bad day, and I just really wanted to open a doll, and I think that would just like make my day so much better. So recently my beautiful husband, boyfriend man went out and purchased a couple of Monster High dolls for me, one of which was this Core Refresh Lagoona. And if y'all don't know, I talk about a lot on my channel. I am from Canada, and in Canada the dolls don't really come when they're supposed to be here. So after months of waiting, we finally have Core Refresh on our store shelves, and Lagoona. I had to get Lagoona. I think next would be Cleo, but I digress. I'm very excited about this Lagoona. Ooh, I think this would make me so, this would definitely lift up my spirits, and y'all can see I do have a thing for the Gilliman, so should we just open her up? Well, I mean, let's get into the box, right? Because it is Core Refresh, so it's a little special, it's a little different. I won't say it's like too different, or at all. The box is pretty much exactly the same. We have the doll straight in the middle with her little accessories off to the side here, and then the Monster High, what do we even call this? Like the column that's on the side, it's literally hollow too. Like it's, I don't know why it's there. And then we have the incredible dark artwork at the bottom here, and it says Lagoona Blue, and it has Neptuna at the bottom there. Oh yes, and of course Neptuna. I'm really excited about the pets that come with the Core Refresh dolls because they all come in like really expressive poses. So far I've opened up Draculara and Claudine, and both of them, like both of their pets, were really cute. Oh, I also have Frankie. We should totally talk about Frankie after this, but let's get into this because this is probably what you're here for. So excited about this. Look how cute Neptuna is. I'm so excited to open it. On the side of the box, the icons are literally exactly the same as the first Lagoona doll. Even that sandal is still the original sandal. Monster High on the side, and then on the back here we have some more information about our ghouls. But first, here is the full artwork of Lagoona. Look how pretty she is. And here we have the rest of the Boo crew. It says her monster type is beautifully bubbly sea monster, and her monster must-haves is sparkling salt water and fish ice cream, and her monster pet is Neptuna. Obviously, I'm really happy that we have that little bio, because Monster High, I think what's really important about them is like their scaritage and like who they are. So like their personalities and their actual identities as monsters, like that's very important to this franchise, I guess. So even with something as little as that, I mean, obviously we would love to have diaries back and hairbrushes and stands, come on. Anyway, so that is the box. That's pretty much it, guys. Obviously classic box. Oh, y'all can't even see me. I'm so sorry. I don't know how long I was out of focus for, but classic box. I'm going to go ahead and open her up, and then we're going to take a closer look at her. If y'all don't mind, y'all can skip the part, like this part, the part that's about to come up, because I think I'm gonna show off my Frankie a little bit. I just love them so much, so I think I'm just gonna, like, I'm gonna unbox her, and then when we're ready, I'm gonna let's talk about Frankie a little bit. Okay, so I just got Miss Lagoona right out of the box. Before we get to her, let me just show y'all. I do have my Frankie here that we can use for height comparison, but also I just want to show them off really fast. Come on, guys, like, are they not just like absolutely stunning? Corey Fresh is just taking it, and like, I'm not, like, hands down, like, one of the best Frankie dolls ever, like Gen 1 as well. I just think this is just so quintessential Frankie slash Frankenstein, and I think that's pretty much what the theme is for the new Corey Fresh, is that they're just more like they're honing in on their Scaretage a little bit more, and that's just what I appreciate so much. Like those stompers. Also, Cleo's little hieroglyphic there, her little C, like, this is just so incredible. And then look at that little stocking, those shorts, the belt, that jacket, the tank top. And I love that we got little hair clips, like that's so, because Frankenstein himself does have clips in his head, so I always imagine the child of Frankenstein to have like stitches there too, you know? So obviously I'm absolutely in love with Corey Fresh so far, and I swear to God, like, I would have made a video on that Frankie. I was just like so emotional, like I just had to get them out. Like I was like, no, like, I mean, I would make a video, but this is just like so special to me. Here is a Neptuna. This is gonna be our first little accessories that we get. The original Neptuna was also in a really dynamic pose, but I just prefer this one so much. Like, look how cute that is. That is so silly and cute. I would love a little play set for the pets. Like, I think we should totally get that back. I think that would get a lot of people back on board with the pets. I feel like a lot of people just like toss them. I think the quality here is just so nice. Oh, I love this so much. Okay, next is her little bag. Obviously this one is so much better than the other one. Just like beginning to end, this is just so good compared to the other one. Obviously the other one, the shell situation, was adorable for what it was, but this is just so much more interesting, I think. So obviously it's in the shape of a jellyfish. You can see the little face there, that's really silly, and then the little fishbone kind of hanging off there. I think that's so cute. It opens, of course, and there's like a tiny little zipper detail that's actually molded onto there. So are the straps. Just like everything has been so well thought out, and I love this little coloring situation. I wish that this was more this color. I think that would be more successful, but altogether, whatever. This is so cute. This is so adorable. Okay, and then of course she comes with her little array of accessories. Let's see what we have here. We have her little gummy bites, which is basically just like a little bag. Oh, there's like a little pen with a puffer fish on the end of it as like a pencil topper. That's so cute. It looks like we have a little drink called Bubble Booze. I don't know if that's a nod to something, but either way, that's really cute. There is like all the labels and stuff that all the drinks do in G3, which is really cool. We have a little taiyaki treat. Yeah, I like that it has like ice cream in it. It's like kind of melty. Ooh, and we have this little journal. Oh, it doesn't open though. Damn it. Okay, well, I like that we get the journal. I just wish this was real, but it is original Lagoona's. Oh no, I guess it's her new one. The Monster Heart is on there, but we have a little composition book that says Monster High. This book belongs to, or this diary belongs to, Lagoona Blue, and it says these waters are as still as a pond. So cute. I really like the idea of like G3 kind of calling back to Gen 1. And of course, what is a G3 Monster High doll without sunnies? And it looks like these are like little octopuses. Like this is, oh no, I guess this is just like a funky, like, what is it, arm? A funky arm to the sunglasses. Yeah, and they're orange, so guess that suits her. Okay guys, now for the piece de resistance. Miss Lagoona Blue. Here she is. Her face is so pretty. Like, my boyfriend chose such a good face. The box hair is real. That's gonna need a wash, but that's okay. Like, I'm an expert at that at this point. But yeah, so this is what Lagoona's face looks like. Love the orange lips. Like, I know that, like, orange is, like, a funny color, like, in general for Monster High, but I think that's just, like, so pretty on Lagoona. She does have this, like, middle part situation, and then she has these little space buns on the top here. She is giving a little bit of Sailor Moon. I don't know if that was what the point was, but it's literally just the hair. Literally just the hair. Maybe she's not even giving Sailor Moon at all, and I'm just seeing the space buns. Next, she has these, like, see-through, like, fishbone earrings. They look very reminiscent of the Hairplay Lagoona's earrings, but these are a lot smaller, so I don't think they're the same. But I love that in general. Like, I think that's just so pretty on her. A very aquatic, I think. We have this nod to Gen 1 Lagoona's necklace. It's still a little seahorse, it's just a little bit more, it's like a little bulkier, I think. And we have this cold shoulder situation. I think the top, they could have done something more interesting, but it is kind of like an upgraded version of Lagoona's hoodie, though I'd love to see the hoodie with these pants. Like, maybe I'll try that on later, but this outfit in general is quite successful, I think. She doesn't come with any bits or bobs on her arms, but she does have her little fins on both of her arms, of course. So pretty. No goddamn webbed fingers. What? Like, how does it... Okay, this is my one thing with G3. I love Lagoona with a burning passion, but where are her webbed fingers? She's a sea monster. Here are her pants, which I think are obviously, like, the biggest part of this, like, whole composition. Look at these high-waisted, like, not denim, like, they're satin shorts. They have these pockets that are, like, real. Monster High is, like, coming back, kinda. There's, like, this light blue color, and then there's this really pretty belt. What is going on there? There's a lot. There's, like, 2 different belts. There's a seashell buckle. It's just so pretty, and of course, it clasps in the back. But these pants, girl. So first of all, they're like blue at the top here, and then the pockets, they have these like little ribbons kind of hanging off of it. Very reminiscent of like a jellyfish, so I totally understand that, and it matches quite well with that belt. Oh, and I love the stitching for like the front piece and the little pockets. They're not real, but I really appreciate that they added that stitching. And then there's like this fishnet material here, which of course, fishnet, duh. And then it's connected to this like kind of see-through pants or leg somethings, pant legs. Yeah, pant legs. And I don't know, guys, it's kind of giving mermaid, and I don't know what it is, but it is kind of giving mermaid, and in like the most monstrous way possible. Of course, we have the classic Lagoona legs. The pink to the blue, and then we have the blue fins coming out here. One of the things that I really appreciate about Gen 3 Lagoona is that the fins go the correct way. Like if she would be swimming this way. Yeah. Here are Lagoona shoes. So this time they decided to go for like a sporty type of shoe, which I can appreciate. I think that with this outfit, heels might have been prettier, but that's just me. But I love that it's like translucent, and then the pink bottom is like this like fishy pink. Like it's not like a pretty pink, if you know what I mean. And at the bottom we have Lagoona's skelet. Damn, my arm's been up for a while, bro. Of course there are the usual type of, not complaints, but there are the usual critiques about this. Is like why did she have to be pink? Like Draculaura's already pink. Just like the whole outfit, like no one can really understand her personality anymore. Like I think those are just like very kind of like issues. But for me personally, like when you dress them right, like it really doesn't matter. Like I live for pink Lagoona. I think the blonde hair on this sea monster doll is hilarious. This is a sea monster doll. That's crazy. The articulation is just so smooth too. Just like in general, like in the most subjective way possible, or objective way possible, whichever one. And then we of course have that chest joint. Yeah, like it's quite nice for like what it is. Like for the doll itself, this is amazing. Like I think this is just so groundbreaking, and I don't know why they didn't just do this in the first place. Like why didn't they? I feel like they should have went more alternative either way. I do have my theories on Core Refresh and how they represent different like alternative styles. So, but I think I'd much prefer to save that for another video. So far, I'm really happy with this Lagoona. In Canada, they're about $40. But I guess like with conversion, it's the same as in the States or anywhere else in the world. Clearly, I'm very excited about her, and she will be needing a thick cleanup because this hair is not it. Oh right, her hair does feel like saran. It's just really frizzy, but obviously I can fix that. Otherwise, I think like Core Refresh is just doing so good. Here, let me bring Frankie out here. And they're just so cohesive together. Like they're just so nice. I don't know why they were so scared to use like dark colors. Because like this is incredible. Whoever designed this, whoever designed Core Refresh, the people that designed Core Refresh, like they know what they're doing. Like, and I feel like this is what they were wanting to do from the beginning, and Mattel told them not to do it. Okay y'all, so that is pretty much everything for this video. It was a little quick, a little silly, a little fun. I just really wanted to open up my Lagoona and make me feel better about my day, and I am so excited about her. And I'm so happy, and I think today I will survive another day. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I don't know if I have commented on this, but I have 500 subscribers, and like that's like so fun to me. That's like 500 people that like want to play dolls with me, and I think that's really exciting. 500 is not a big number when it comes to like popularity and fame in the YouTube world, but still the number 500, that's a lot of birthday cards. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please let me know what you think about Lagoona. Let me know what you think about Core Refresh. What do you think about my Frankie? Do you hate Frankie's new fit? Because if you do, I think you don't get it. Sorry. I love all of you deeply, and I hope that you all have a great rest of your day or night or whichever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye bye.